JEE Advanced 2025, Paper 1, Physics, Question 12. Let us visualize the single slit diffraction setup. A monochromatic beam of wavelength lambda equals 600 nanometers passes through a narrow slit of width b. On a screen placed at distance D from the slit, we observe a central bright maximum with secondary maxima on either side. The distance d is measured from the central maximum to the mth secondary maximum. Watch as the light diffracts through the slit and forms the diffraction pattern on the screen. Here is the full question. In single slit diffraction, the formula is BD over D equals m lambda, where B is the slit width, D is the slit to screen distance, D is the distance of the mth maximum from the central maximum, and lambda is the wavelength. D is measured with a scale of least count 1 cm. D is measured with a scale of least count 1 mm. Given lambda equals 600 nanometers and m equals 3, both known precisely. Find the absolute error in B, in micrometers, when m equals 3, d equals 5 millimeters, and D equals 1 meter. The key concept here is error propagation in products and quotients. From the formula, B equals m lambda D over D. When a quantity is calculated from multiplication and division, the relative error in the result equals the sum of the relative errors in each measured quantity. Since m and lambda are precisely known, they contribute zero error. So delta B over B equals delta D over D plus delta D over D. The absolute error in each measurement equals its least count. Delta D equals 1 cm, which is 0.01 meters. Delta D equals 1 millimeter, which is 0.001 meters. Now the solution. Step 1. Calculate B. B equals m lambda D over D. Substituting, B equals 3 times 600 times 10 to the minus 9 times 1, divided by 5 times 10 to the minus 3. Computing this, the numerator is 1800 times 10 to the minus 9, divided by 5 times 10 to the minus 3, giving B equals 3.6 times 10 to the minus 4 meters, which is 360 micrometers. Step 2. Find the relative error. Delta B over B equals delta D over D plus delta D over D, that is 0.01 over 1 plus 0.001 over 0.005. This gives 0.01 plus 0.2, which equals 0.21. Step 3. Absolute error. Delta B equals 0.21 times 360 micrometers, which equals 75.6 micrometers, approximately 76 micrometers. The correct answer is, the absolute error in B is approximately 76 micrometers, which falls in the accepted range of 75 to 79 micrometers. Here are some important tips. Tip 1. For products and quotients, always add relative errors, never absolute errors. This is the most common mistake in error analysis questions. Tip 2. Least count equals the absolute error for each measurement. If the least count of a ruler is 1 millimeter, the error in any measurement with that ruler is 1 millimeter. Tip 3. Precisely known quantities like order m and wavelength lambda contribute zero error. Identify these first to simplify your calculation. Tip 4. Always check which error term dominates. Here, delta D over D was 0.2, far larger than delta D over D, which was only 0.01. The D measurement dominated the error. Like and subscribe for more JEE Advanced solutions at MAGPIEHUB. See you in the next video.